Discover the FLASHFORGE AD5X, an advanced multicolor FDM 3D printer designed for makers, engineers, designers, educators, manufacturers, and professionals who demand intelligent automation, high-quality printing, and efficient multi-material production. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the FLASHFORGE AD5X and explore its innovative features, including an intelligent filament management system, automatic multicolor printing, one-click auto-leveling, group control functionality, and high-speed printing performance that make it an ideal solution for both personal and professional 3D printing. Whether you're creating engineering prototypes, functional parts, educational models, product designs, cosplay accessories, colorful figurines, architectural models, or batch production projects, the AD5X delivers outstanding precision, reliability, and ease of use. The intelligent multicolor printing system allows seamless filament switching during a print, making it easy to produce vibrant, complex models with multiple colors or materials without constant manual intervention. This opens new creative possibilities while improving workflow efficiency. Key features: intelligent multicolor FDM 3D printer, automatic multicolor printing, intelligent filament management system, one-click auto-leveling, high-speed printing performance, precision motion system, stable mechanical structure, smart filament switching, excellent print quality, smooth layer consistency, user-friendly touchscreen interface, group control for multiple printers, remote print management, professional prototyping capabilities, reliable long-duration printing, compatible with multiple filament materials, ideal for education, engineering, and manufacturing, optimized workflow for batch production, easy setup and operation, suitable for beginners and professionals. The integrated intelligent filament system automatically manages filament changes, reducing downtime and enabling uninterrupted multicolor or multi-material prints. This makes the AD5X an excellent choice for creators who want to produce visually impressive models while maintaining maximum productivity. One-click automatic bed leveling ensures perfect first-layer adhesion with minimal setup, allowing users to start printing quickly and confidently while improving overall print success. The group control function enables multiple FLASHFORGE printers to be monitored and managed simultaneously, making the AD5X particularly valuable for schools, print farms, design studios, manufacturing facilities, and businesses running multiple printers. Its rigid frame and optimized motion system provide exceptional stability during high-speed printing, delivering smooth surfaces, precise dimensions, and consistent layer quality across every project. Whether you are producing prototypes, manufacturing custom components, developing products, creating artistic models, or expanding your production capacity, the FLASHFORGE AD5X combines intelligent automation, multicolor capability, and professional-grade performance in one powerful desktop 3D printer. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in 3D printing, additive manufacturing, engineering technology, product design, and professional maker equipment.